For bubble printing, I need soap, dish soap, a container with a little bit of water in it, food coloring, and a straw. So I'm going to take my dish soap and put some into the water, just a little squirt, and then take my food coloring and squirt a few, maybe like 5 drops in. I like to do this over a tray because food coloring can stain, so if there's something there to catch it. Now I'm going to gently mix this up, and the next part is blowing to make the bubbles. Because this is a soapy, stainy mixture, I am going to be very careful not to suck into the straw, but only blow out, and make sure that my straw is fully in the water before I blow. Once I have some bubbles formed, I can take my paper and press it into the bubbles. And those pop and leave the designs on my paper. I kind of tilted my container sideways to get more of the water into the end of my straw. So there you go, that's bubble printing. You can mix a few different colors and see what kind of paper design you can create. For paper marbling or hydro dipping at home, I have a container with water, a tray underneath, some food coloring, and a fork. You can talk to the adults in your house and ask them the best place for you to do this. Outside is probably a good idea, and if they would like you to wear gloves, because it could stain your fingers. I'm going to take my food coloring and put maybe 2 drops on the top. A lot of it's sinking down to the bottom, and try another color and do a couple drops. It's already starting to swirl out on the surface of that water. I'm going to take my fork and try to just kind of swirl that around a little bit more. Once I am happy with the design, I can take my paper, this is just printer paper, copy paper, and stick it down into the water. And then when I pull it up, it catches some of that marbling of that food coloring. So thank you, Paige in 3rd grade, for the idea of how to do hydro dipping at home.